From London to Ghana, yeah. BWF in the house, let's go. Integrity, excellence. We rise together. We stand with you. We stand with you. BWF. When the path is tough, we'll pull you through. From Seven Sisters to Accra too. We stand with you. We stand with you. On the high road in London town. 28 on a house we're found. And Christine the sound. Family, immigration, wills and probate, we're around. 30 years strong in the game. We got a law in our name. When life gets heavy, we lift the weight. Together we claim the fame. Oh, you want a dream? You need a team. BBUF by your side, shine like the stream. From across Golden Dawn to London City gleam.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
BWF Solicitors Facebook wall. Sounds so. And I will buy YouTube page as well. Oh, yes, to me life and a paper, my name, blah. Nah, be shade me the NB. Maybe I would comment, bye. Nay, to me, I can kind the amount. Once again, the name still remain an art to Jago all paid as I can on the pay minimum Japan. I'd send our community at the Jumedi at the blow, and so I'm in Kakano. Lawyer Frank. About the chunk come on, yeah. Lawyer Frank, you'll be a Benham Bloom or being pa. What being papa. Almost say, soldier for no, say soldier for no, or them like you, Juma. Into a banner and fan blessing you, Juma. Oh, Lawyer Frank, dear. Wabbing, pa. Oh, no. Tell me, didn't can a Benham blessing and fan blang ya, or bet challenge you, or bet your soul in Blano. Tene, on a yana. Ya never better trim come on and now pay our rainbow for from Timako. I must not mean a question come to chance. But before I ever call them, Mecca will say, foul phone, na tuning in. Our tuning, not see Rainbow Radio, our tuning, not for phone, not searching Rainbow Radio, our Apple Store. And I say, Google Play Store, who say Rainbow Radio and Apple with me TN. Sounds soon away to me ATN, our Roku TV, Amazon TV. And a Fire TV, which means it's made radio side, and which means to me a command. My call, Namene, my able lawyer, and co share and come to Chenas and Shane who there, yet debate here for. Lord, good morning. Lord, good morning.
Good morning, OPD.
Na bibia woko.
Na me adumo me ho ye pa na mpacho won so
Nyame adom nso me ho ya papa me Jimmy de say eba no BWF solicitors workers obi biala ho bia no anape me gidi say mo nso ho ya pa.
na me adum yes yon ye pa bibie koye yes ha na me so me gidi say also any o producer any o adwumayɛfoɔ nyinaa obiara te apɔ menim sɛ nyame ama ade paakye deɛ nyinaa yɛ ho yɛ
ya ho yɛ papa ya ho yɛ
ɛna mehwɛ sɛ deɛ wasi ato chain na w'anim ayɛ sorɔsorɔ yɛ a na sɛ no gye ɛsɛm wɔ hɔ ebi fa ama so ho nti yɛbɛka ho asɛm Mr. T yɛbɛka ho asɛm
and I bobɔ register nti me bobɔ register na magije fetu se de be yɛ mfa me so nti minim sɛ lawyer Franco nko ade yi ade obɛyɛ me na yɛ be su ene be sɛ ngege law ano pay me ba ho me ya twetwe nkomai ba ne sɛ update ni de yɛwɔ ɛde magiti for minim sɛ yɛbɛkɔ update ni wi na the topic of the day no so yɛ de aba update ho ɛde mayen ne no ɛkyɛ na ebisu nu a bia wo nyuma bia bobɔ so wada ma de ntie we
okay anyama de obi abobɔ so aka na yɛbɛkɔ so no nyame ne yɛda na se sɛ wɔde mfie baako aka wo mfie ho
ami
na ɛnɛ wa ba betena na ɛnɛ so asɛsi Thursday saa na yɛhyɛ mu ande na sɛ nyankopɔn na ne yɛsrɛ sɛ wɔnkɔ so na wɔntɔ no nsupangu so
ami
wɔnhyira no wɔnyɛ kɛse ɔma ne tiri mo ɔma nyɛ to baabi ado na bisi bia ɔmfa wɔnhyɛ wo nsa ɔma nneɛma ɛda wakoma so nyinaa mmerɛm yɛsrɛ nyankopɔn ama wo nti happy birthday OPD
yee we dey kam DJ wan ko pom nyumba ko pa DJ you had DJ me ni yejuma ko to aduane dia na pe didi lo me yentie we wada wuruma me da senso wada wuruma me da se pa
okay yo OPD eja se da bia ye na no ene update no enhyeda enno so en my mono bia my dada na batem say eja obun say over the week room say nkofo busa questions be
yeah
na ama yepese yeso yekire yadwene update aba no eba ye nche yedikan aka no aba ye san ka biem say ebia o obi a o ye naturalization ebie na say ya grant e de amawa obi a pim de kuta wo no kane no wi anse ka twese say post to afa call the home office and say be chọ baabi afa call ebia Liverpool na baabi na ka say twitwam the fashion envelope the post to call one post be fine no be £1,000 one farm si say the a year guidance aba no started from April 2023 2026 23rd April 2026 you know say she said why twitwa wadiem na ayeden ese no unhia se ebi a oyeden ode ebeba back twitwam na make sure say was no completely nti eno no quick one na afeso no
lo biometric cards na omo issue no
me patron ane
oh okay
patron ane on say kan no mo say utwitwam a fabra fashion envelope ni ama address supposed to call one post to anko you be fine no nti say the omo ama akwan say why then say no
say why
say no o de emfa ma ho ba say make sure why then was say no nti no ene ayi a then e wo ho ena update back so e wo ho so ene say on say sebe enye obia na ebia na yare bi nti na obi ntimi enwo ono ane eba ana bibisa nti ye wonkrofo ana se obi bi efe na ye surrogate aya nkrofo etimi ekọ ewo man nkofo na so mutim ko donate ye omo sperm ene ade na sisi ye case bi bai case no ene da so no high court case a high court no refuse say recognize unregulated sperm donor say oye legal father ewo akra bi eso na omo yes case we so mo dey protect families omo wo sat bi anim so because say okofa enchenchen privately na wa akoye ye wo niam aban no anaasɛ court no ntumi mmoa wo saa akwa bi so because court no ɛmfoa saa adeɛ no so sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ biribi saa ɛyɛ sɛ wofa the right channel wofa regulated sperm donor atɛfoɔ no wɔ na nhyehyɛeɛ biribi ayɛ dɛn atotɔ n'akwan mu na biribi ato nkrataa so sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛyɛ adansegye sɛ ampa nipa asomasi nie nti na sɛ deɛ ɔwɔ no sɛ wobɛyɛ saa nneɛma no bi ahu no sɛ wobɛfa the right channel wobɛfa ɛyɛ clinic a wɔyɛ regulated so mbɛtumi ayɛ dɛn ayɛ saa adeɛ no ansa na wɔtu saa anammɔn no ɛnyɛ saa ɛbɛyɛ problem ayɛ dɛn ama wɔn nso nti OPD ɛno nso ɛno no nti ɛno no update bebree anyɛ dɛn nhyɛ da ɛni hɔ nti sɛ biribiara ni a na yɛsɛ yɛabom na yɛakɔ yɛ topic no so.
Okay, and I mean some my mema fa topic in interest me but before mema what the topic na to so dia me fa yen BWF solicitors yen normal enfant to je bi obi tie na no pay obepese and pay nko beba office na anasa ono no obefre na nka wa ye enquiries anasa bi obubuka appointment before ni application bi person ya and pay wutie mi a na so yen office line 020 8493 7340 020 8493 7340 na wa friend if you pay an address nso a yen echa kwan ewo 4th floor Annan House 214/218 High Road 214/218 High Road 7 Sisters yen postcode N15 4NP N15 4NP and a postcode I yedi between the locating na wabana wo ba bebo wo pfi underground train station wo pe wo de wo gina ho na wo frɛ no man yeba before na so wo de wo to no hu sa bro san na esi wo ho fefefe na wo de wona nte ba ba wo du ha no afrɛ yeba before na yedi wa ba in office na bibia so tumi aye kama tana patient so say BWF assistance na ye no mo twetwe nkomo no enti mo asum enda wona bi wasum fita se garam se amana na yɛfa nsɛm no wurum lo wada wolma yen to us the topic of the day na fi yentin si kwan no mu wada wolma
OPD mechia ubim mema ahwefo ne atiefo so akwa babiem ene topic na ye de bremo no ye ka bibi afa ye se ebia wote kromwa na wa overstay onkrata atwamu a ubetimi ayeden aya application everymeni wo kromwa ejina oyere so ana na ukunu so ana o spouse so ana sa ene can I the couple to customer or say can I successfully apply to remain in the UK as a spouse if I have overstayed my visa? First of all, no, you can say overstayer and I say obi overstayer on the one. Kwan bebrebe in the first one many party me overstay o UK kurumwa emma embra no etimi eden ebe chechire no na afi ohu de onye no ho. Obi wo ho a wofa school pass no eden wo baaye owura mu yi bibia starte ne mu akọ school awie okọ school no wie no akọ graduate route so okọ graduate route so wie no what next ebia wanya adwuma ama adwuma na sponsor no ebia saa time no wanya odofo bi ene na anware ama na answeche enti na wote ya ono so wantimi anko fie because of ebia ne ema bi nti na ne nkrata na yeden awu anaso bu okra so wo ya ade bi otimu na ebia decision ne baaye no na ya amfa ama no mi was ne nkrata no so wu enti wanyere wan kofie wabeye overstay even though uwura mu ewo kwan paso but ade na de kutawa ema ya gitum se obetima tena kroma no ayeden awu enti wa yede watena ha yeden abroso obi also a or the visitors visa ne baaye na yesin ko metwa 6 months ana say or the program bi ne baaye ye ma na bi 2 weeks obeduru awie no watena wa yeden wa abroso wantimi nyane den anko fie enti wa obetena kroma na say wa obeba ha ekwan bi abefa so abeba na leave de ma so wotimi tena ha ebi ade ko school ebi ade ye adwuma ana say aban entimi mpam na emom wobetena so na mra no beso na wan renew na awu no wodane obi a ye frɛ say o overstay wa overstay enti eno asechire no na now yɛbɛba sɛ woyɛ overstay anaasɛ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa bi to wo a so wobɛtumi asesa wo ho na wadura ho ntoma foforɔ wonya obi a wodɔ no ɔbaa bi a wodɔ no bɛrima bi a wodɔ no na wɔware wa wobɛtumi atena kurom a na wayɛ application na mana successful ana obi a ɔse me kofie a yɛsɛ me nkofie ansa na makɔyɛ me nkofie na me so me kofie a menim sɛ ebia ne anya dan ya mama back na manim akɔgu ase wɔ fie me so me mpɛ sɛ mɛkɔ akɔtena fie anaasɛ mɛkɔ ne bɛka sɛ bɔga akɔyɛ wasan aba o deɛ ntimi nkɔ fie anaasɛ mɛkɔ kora home office ma memba biem ɛna munya ntoboaseɛ bɛkyerɛkyerɛ mo aseɛ. It's not always the case say ebia okofie a yɛma wo nyɛ den yɛma wo mma yɛbɛka ne nyinaa yɛbɛtumi aka sɛ kofie na kɔyɛ entry clearance na yɛden na fabra na mmom yɛn started with wa overstay ne yɛn started ekurom agye no yɛden nwie na yɛde ɛno ataatoɔ. Now waba kurom a nneɛma asisi wantumi ankɔ watena mu a ɛnyɛ yi na afei wayɛ den wanya wo dɔfo bi na ɔpɛ sɛ wɔware no na afei wosi a maware di akyinkyin a yɛsɛ me den menya me nkrataa ɛnyɛ automatic saa OPD before 2020 31st December 2020 and the command the immigration na yɛtaka appendix FM ne aka appendix EU so and before 2020 no na appendix EU fam wɔ no sɛ bia obi yɛ EU ni na wo hyia obi no pɛ so ware na wo hyia no dɔfo ɛno anso ayɛ den waware no ɔware na no ɛyɛ okay sɛ waware no deɛ a wonya adɔfo no waware a watumi show relationship sɛ maware deɛ ne ɛno anso yɛ wɔn krata ma no ayɛ den watena kuroma but that was then before 2020 31st December de na wutumi hyia obi na aka sɛ waware na no anso waware no na waware na wogyina no so na ayɛ watena kuroma ba sisi ɛnte sɛ biem after a year saa December 2020 no ɛnte sɛ biem ɛba saa wɔyɛ den obewura appendix FM na sana ayɛ den wayɛ na appendix FM no ɛhɔ ɛna partner ne yɛ den ɛhyɛ okɔ gen 1.2 a ɛna kyerɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ partner for ɛne saa nneɛma na se so woni obi aware na ɔyɛ wo spouse ɔyɛ wayi a ɛno no ma ware ɔkyerɛ sɛ woni nipa na ware a obɛkɔ anim sɛ nipa nso na tena abom for 2 years a ɛkɔ so a ɔno so yɛtumi terminal so partner nti okɔ gen 1.2 a ɔhɔ nkɔfo bi wɔ so ɔmo so dey civil partnership obi wɔ same sex marriage and one na wobɛnya definition of a partner under gen 1.2 ɛhɔ no nti now yɛmfa nso wonya wo partner ɛwɔ kurom a wayɛ den woni na hyia sɛ mo pɛ sɛ mo ware maware mo marriage certificate wɔ na mo pɛ sɛ mo de aware no tum na nam sɛ woyɛ overstay yɛ ne nti wontimi ɛnyɛ den ɛnka sɛ waware wɔ bɛɛ nti ɛyɛ sɛ yɛde wo nkrataa ma wo aware de obi a wɔ kwan so yɛ den ɔware na aware a wobɛware no ware na de agye wasetena wogyina wo yere no so anaasɛ ukunu no so de agye wasetena de a yɛwɔ nneɛma a ɛyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ den ommeti ɛnyɛ sɛ waware kɛkɛ obi ntumi nso obi kwan sɛ mɛware wodɔfo wotumi aware wodɔfo na mmom sɛ wopɛ sɛ wode gye ɛyɛ wasetena de a then ɛwɔ nneɛma a ɛyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ den ommeti anaa ɔyɛ den follow ansa na watumi ayɛ den ɛnyɛ wasetena through that nti waware ɛsɛ wotumi show sɛ ampa waware nipa korɔ no na wokɔ appendix FM wo na sɛ wokɔ partner route no so a ana sɛ wopɛ sɛ wogyina hospital so gye a yɛhwɛ suitability no ɛno hia paa ɛdeɛ yɛka sɛ suitability a ɛdeɛ na ɛsɛ wohwɛ ɛwɔ saa side wɔ ɛsɛ yɛhwɛ hu no sɛ wo nipa korɔ no wonyɛ criminal wonni criminal conviction biara onkoda prison for 12 months and over because onkoda prison for 12 months and over you term as a foreign criminal na nneɛma no yɛ si ayɛ den ama because obi okruma kro when indefinite leave to remain no nyanya ne British passport and as nyanya citizen no say you tru kotum 12 months kwa okra ne term as foreign criminal you bet me deport you because we indefinitely leave to remain a year after boy just a bit matna in Fabia or Pibia, but when you're a citizen, when you're caught the prison 12 months when you say as a mobile because your bedtime was foreign criminal because only British yet. And when you say Sadiano, only criminal conviction, on them 12 months and over. After we need deportation or the BRCC and found coffee. And as you'll be a time as criminal, when near my BBI Basawa anti Sadiano as already, and the suitability test, you check here new. Then, now for your eligibility. Because eligibility and on a day and near church or near my so you're eligible and son of which my day I at na krom was warrior which me I your own crater will krom abra on your day on Kogana. Now eligibility anything oba eligibility only should be to say relationship. Two, you should be to say a year or financial requirement. Three, you should be to say accommodation. Now 4, your show will be to say a year English language test. Until now, you bet him. Now, you start no, you for beauty say relationship. Relationship on any day. Relationship on say, which is the panel was Shanna and Pausa Wire. Only no, it will be Yampa. BBS Adiano, a year genuine and subsisting. A dean and a chest of warrior no a mawariampa. A ho and I'll be you documenta the friend marriage certificate no at the actual sa ampa the person messy. Many night then awari. Na the idea dance no any the idea any marriage certificate no way with the actual home office for ampa awari. Now so what appendix FM muna awari for no. Say you who say any pa baako na owo no mumienu no nipa kro no baako British so when you're British citizen na ebia okuta indefinite leave okromo settled and I say okuta EU settlement no and okuta EU nkrata watching status mumienu no eni kwan say obi aso ye under 18 because we under 18 ye bu kromo amrem say oye akra oye child so and tell someone you are above 18. Say the pakrona or warina wujina so no kutan krata no de babuano. As one wo kromo at the time of application. Nti ehono what me actual relationship. If you na ba ni aba financial requirements so. Financial requirement anything financial requirement as wutimi show say wo sika ewo ho anase adwuma wo ye no wo sika sei ewo ho annually say na wo je o gross e sei enu nti se nipa na ono no oye overstay ya no so oye overstay ya that means OPD uni nkrata wo kromwa nti ye bu ni se onya adwuma akwan afa so nya sika bia no obi anhwe wo batamra mu no ye bu se once a uni nkrata and ye wonya allowed so oye adwuma kromwa nti case work no assume say wonya adwuma nti wonya den uni sika nti nipa na wo ware no ono wo ye adwuma ono sika se no wo je se sika no ebetimi ayeden ahwew ana ema wo me burden entukuro no so onfa ohaw amatukuro no so so ye ma kwan se tena kuro makra ni sika na oje no ansa na wo nkrata beba nya sika na wo so be ye adwuma no se sika no betimi maintain o ebetimi ahwe momi no nti ho and the financial requirement. Now, financial requirement no threshold no £29,000. And the same pana wo so wa no dofo no won krata okroma no. Ono so wa na ono na ma wagina no so enya asetena okroma no. Ono no ese oye adwuma annually no gross yente hwi mfiri skani mu no. £29,000 and over. Again, and I debe say, Odofo no a year you may be a ojisa. And the bank statement or the battery, the pay slip or the battery. And see a pay slip only because one person who say ampa or gross no say na wodi ampa na. There's a pay slip is actually gross no or net pay no or bibia o. Ni ahwe say sika na wo se wodi no e ampa. as is can say original say ampa pay slip so de obi a betima koye bi no wode aba eno nti na request for bank statement here then e ka ho 6 months bank statement and the 6 months bank statement we do be try na hu say oh ampa any passport wa jisika na to aso sa continuously for 6 months nti enya no kura bi anka bosumi bo anka bi to nti nam say ogini nti na ay consistent ho no now na ya pay slip no so na ya reflect ya fa say reflect e wo bank statement ni mu a sa ampa so di say o pay slip no so ya be hwe bank statement no so bosumi bi a e den e be to mu ampa na ya hwe hu say o gross no o meet 29,000 pounds na so o meet dia fair enough ni hu say ampa o dofo no obitima ya den a maintain you na ese financial requirement no so no e no so no wo di akogu na me adawroma wa meet wo no so wa meet wo awie no na ye ko accommodation now accommodation no ye pese ye hu se enipa no mo tibom wo ba bi te ba bia wo te no ampa eboa wo emwa entia eye emra no ye pese ba bia mo te no so overcrowded e bia nipa bebrebe na te wo na ene ye wo kra betena wa ahokyere e wo mo so ntia nti ese wa accommodation so eye ade bia ye suitable a che se be ma na wo so wo gye no ho to wo so wo ware no anase oba na wo gye na to wo so wo ware no oba no obenya ba bia atena ana wo be ma no obenya ba bia atena obenya ba bia asoe a ba bia mo soe no eye ahoto wom what I say aha na eba mremu a ye obi bi ti say say ye fa ne say ye 1 bedroom kra ebetimi ayeden akontani enipa mienu oyire ani wokunu ndi say wo dan ye 1 bedroom ekra na o qualify because obetimi ayeden ani wokunu atena ho anase oyire ayeden atena sa adan ni na wo buy immigration ma si ye kase ye fafie na ya kase how many bedrooms are so wo dan ye 2 bedrooms are na so wo hall kan ho a ye kan hall no kan ho so fill application they say how many bedrooms we state say 2 they say other rooms no aka say bia 1 other room because so wo hall a be your TV bo no ane nkunwa gu no ye terminals e dan nti imagine say bia na oba no kwa wo ma dadampa ye ntimi ka say bia mo be overcrowded or because hall or nti betu ba say nkran ba ko da hall ana say e bia nkran da hall na mo dan ba ko nti ya ma mu nsuro when it comes to accommodation na mo ncheche mo nche mo lawyer for yi nti mo mamo the right advice obu abiko ni fie so no even though dan no mo kan say be a 2 bedrooms I bia no 1 or bedroom ba ko osa or a living room ba ko osa o living room ba ko anu nyina be kan ho say number of rooms are then wo fie ho nti be hwe ho say accommodation so I then we meet now ne aba ade a ye friend no English language test hwe hu ni say English no o meet English no what try English no so what try English na otidon oson ebi so ana wo ye obi so asabe yesi ba bi di shekwa dan ba bi akwa e no akọ university bi Ghana dada ana so akọ university wo krom ana wo country ana Nigeria and sana we den oba UK na bibi antwa bibi so ntina ho ba kire wa wadan overstay ya eno ncheze bia won school na se wanya kwanya ko school bi saada e wo kuma sana wo bade ya ubetime yusu university degree na wo ye wo krom no but as a convert what they call baby if an ethics no me just a conversion amount near chess and English language you know then you can use that one now so ba kuma so bia be course specific teacher mu no e bi board school na buy oba na masters wa e no wi na ahokyere aba no antimi anya nkata na fe no ye why your masters so krom ade a krom ade so mo ana kyerɛ o ntom ba di atomo betima you shoes certificate no e de akyerɛ sɛ umeti the English language requirement no.
Okay.
Now, eligibility a mabobo sane ma 4 no so no. Ubetimi aka sɛ on qualify na sɛ umeti emu miensa. Ne mo made ba akọ de mandatory we yɛ dan sɛ umeti saade no. Eno no de ani eno any relationship no because so relationship ni no de ani one na ubegyina so de aye den awai no. Nti eno de it's a must so umeti relationship no say woni nipa kro na mo say ubegyina so ade no my den mawari intend ye na se wonya meet relationship ni wi a enema aka no se meet mpa eno no ye wo exception wo eno na me ba be kire mo sa exception no ye wo ade bi e fa no ES1 exception 1A and ye wo 1B. Now 1A no eye se akra ewo ho se akra wo mu a ekroma ye mfa nkra ni agro the child's best interest in here papa yen shane so enti first of all mama kan tell say we overstay ya na aka so aware wo ba wo ha eno nkyere se be mo atena so aware no kra ma antena enye application wa se okọ Ghana na akọ ya aba na emom se o mpese obeka Ghana akọ ya aba dia honda exception ba mu no OPD exception no ene se ES1 no se akra wom sa akra wom ntam dia ye be mo atena kro mu anu ayeden na wayeden waje na unkrata ne ba no ayeden wa strategy wadwuma enche se kofie na koye bra na akra no wo mu no ade e da wo mu so ne se enye se akra na ese eye eba eye wo ne maame ne ba epe ena abetima agina no so ebetima basa na wo ne maame ne monye den mo nware monye den sorry mo nwoi na emu maame na akwa ware no a okuta nkrata na ode cover no wa wo dada on the previous marriage mu and I said the previous relationship bi akọ mu a ebia and e wa aware mu ena wo ba nti ebe kire ne se wo nipa na wo be dan nkrata no so no wo aba no ma and I said wo stepchild nsa akra wo mu dia then ye betimi ES1 na be boa wo na cover wo say eni kwan say wo den wo come back home and wo akoya application number because akra bi ye den ewo montam nti na say akra your biological child and I say or your stepchild no so far as akra bi ewo equation ni mu no wo ye den wa ye lucky se akra bi wo montam nti obeti my den agina no so sa akra wi aye kan se obeti magina akra no so na se ES1 no apply ama won ko fia esem so show say wo parental relationship e wo sa akra no so now you can say parental relationship wa automatically say wo ba na se wawo ba no ba le birth set so a adansidie say wo parental relationship enentina fathers and I say a father section one wudi show say koku manu una obani no esa a kire say wo parental relationship eden e wa akran so na this is the case say wo baba bi na wo be overstay and wakoshi oba bi a wo ware no and oba no no oba dada ne de na tese sa oba no ne ba no papa dada nti birth set na wo de kono papa bi din so dada nti obviously akra no nya wo ba now die na ba mu watimi a kire se woni akra no wo relationship bi sa no eba sa na ye be connected the dots akra no o maame na wire no nti ama woni akra no benya some kind of bond bi and as a connection ebi na now se woni connection nti na kekeke ne de ma wo as o to be prove say who play active role e wo akra na brabo nti se wo ye ma wo kofia sa de wo ye de bu akra no ye den enkoso nya sa niema no nti ebe ha akra no na se sa akra we no ono no o ma me British nti ono so ye British nti sa akra no ye British na want na Ghana da na se want na outside UK da no se ye remove na ko na se enye reasonable dia na wo papa na wo ha na wo fa akra ne help no ye remove so kwa enye reasonable nti anu nti ye be mo ayeden atena kroma se de be ya obokoso na watimi ahwe akra no na watimi abo akra no na eniye bi a wo papa bi a wo de ma akra no wakoso watimi ayeden e de ma akra no anu nti na saade ne you savior akra no you savior you don't need to go back home to apply from home country enti ɛdeɛ na ade bɛkyerɛ sɛ akora no so a wogya no so agye no woyɛ biribi wɔ n'abrabɔ active role no ɛhefa na wodi free nti hɔ ɛne ehia sɛ wobɛpɛ official document a wode bɛkyerɛ sɛ akora na mpa wo play active role bi wɔ akora n'abrabɔ nti duru baabi saa na ɛhɔ ɛna wobɛkyerɛ sɛ ebia woyɛ adesi wo na wode akora no ɛkɔ school ɛna wakɔ ayɛ dɛ wasa akɔfa naba efie nti duru hɔ a wobɛhia official letter from school akora no school na wɔn akyerɛ sɛ ampa wo nipa asomasi yɛ adesi ya name you as ebia next of kin anaasɛ as a contact ɛwɔ akora no school mu ɔmo database no so anaasɛ ɔmo system no so sɛ wo no yɛ adesi no wo ne akora no maame no mo na ya name mu sɛ mo yɛ contact wɔ akora no so nti biribi ani a wotumi bɛ school mo bɛfa no anaasɛ wo na drop no anaasɛ wo attend the parent meetings anaasɛ parent evenings wokɔ yɛ dɛ wokɔ bi woyɛ bi anaasɛ sɛ ebia mbɔkɔ GP hɔ ebia na akora no onye school going age nti mo ntumi nkɔ school nkɔgye biribi nti ɛna mo bɛkɔ GP hɔ na makɔ GP hɔ akɔgye ɛyɛ letter from GP sɛ o ebia yɛ adesi ɛyɛ contact ɛwɔ akora no so sɛ system no sɛ wo yɛ akora no sei anaasɛ biribi ne yɛtumi frɛ obu sɛ akora no wasɛm na okra no ma me ba appointment o mo ja akra no ba no kwa no okra wo baabi ana sɛ ota de akra no so de ba appointment na sɛ vaccination bi kra wo na de akra no ba no ayɛ de wa beje we take in the boss because official institution bi amount credit sampa wo yese wa akra no bra bom nti hɔ no ayɛ den wo show say wo play active role e wa akra no bra bom na so ye be yi akra no kɔ fie ama akra no wakɔkyere no saa akra no yɛntumi nyine nkɔ sɛ yɛntumi nyine nkɔ deɛ papa no wɔ na wɔma saa akra no services no anaasɛ wɔma akra no saa adedɔ dɛdewei no yɛntumi nwu papa no so nkɔ nti ɛna bɛma wo nso nya kwan wayɛ den watena kurom a now obi wɔ hɔ a na wo meet requirements no nyinaa wo meet ɛyɛ yɛka ne sɛ aware the relationship no ba o meet financial no o meet like you can say ebia English language no one yes one be exempted because akra bi won tini kwan say okofie afa bi e do akoto 10-year route because we meet other staff no nice one na se akra ni na say okofie a ES1B eso ye den e wo ho eno no and your friend say insurmountable obstacle. Ebia na ade bi wo ho a se e ha adwene pa a just you remove coffee a e dey asam fofo na be den e beba nti basa na ahwe wo no so ayeden aka ho enu ni bi ni se ebia wo partner na waware no bugura no ebia no terminal illness bi awie bi a chemo treatment a wo nya no okọ back home a o nya sa treatment ne den ewo ho anase ye yiwu kofi a sa nipa kono kwa ebia wo na wo de wo ha wo careful nipa kono wo san hwa wo partner no ye de wo kwa ye nya wo bia ma ne nke sede ka be ka ma no ye betima hwe in terms of that ye betima hwe say terminal illness bi wo a eno ye behwe na ya bo ho ba say onko ne nkofo ye nimba anase e krona nipa ni free so no ebia na omani nye eye same sex marriage on maybe akwa obekru maka ne kra no o ka say we gay and as o ka say we lesbian and sana abaye and ezi wa benya odofo bi na bia akwa bi na emum wo san akofi asa ade ni nti say kro nam say omo ani ni sa ade no bia na wo life akwa den akwa in danger nti o kwa bitima hawo bitima kun ana bitimi anya problem kase nya behwe bitima kase ma onko and yes wo eye ade ba akwa ye hwe na se wukuro nso afimu ba no se ntokwa ye den e wo ho wo asi wo ho a wo asi wo ho nipa ewu wo ba bia opese wunya wasomdie ni asatam se sa akọ ba bia ntokwa asi no e bia no ye den wakọ akọ nti basa ekuro bi se bia Ukraine ana se e bia ba bia sisei omokun US for no omokun Iran for na basa okọ a basa akọ ha adwena ye bebo ho ban ni nyina so betima yeden aboa wo enti saa niema we no ena ene na ye de to apono so na ya hwe na ya kyekye etiefom se enye da biya na ye beka se yeden kofie
okay
na kokoye se wa ware a na se akora wo mu a wotimi yeden remain wo kroma na yeden wo je application as regularize wo stay ubetimi awom na saa niema ye kan nyina no eligibility no ubetimi ayeden ubetimi akaze meet bibia na emom relationship dey ezo meet because ono no oba nti na weden o person what na nti ezo meet but so meet English meet financial requirement ES1 akwara no mu nti ebetimi ayeden aboa amawatena obidi and say the person adeni interactive no one nti na pause wa me or last bit we say me de so say bi obi also a onye obekọ fie pa ba osuro so ho no me de no so betato amamo na ahwefo ne atiefo ehu emra no se de si waki na obi a mehu antolo so mamu ntieti abonten mamu ntieti pocket lawyers bia muntie BWF solicitors because I had an power I be mohu bibia no amfa hu bia anton wo so no say ekwan den eda ho emra no ho a window ho time bia so wonni mu mra na obo hu say bibia nsi wo kwan wetima maneuver away na why den wo meet emra no na won so wetima nya wasetena nti me do besi afọ now na bibi ho a wabesa ansa na me de aka na den
okay okay so ebusia yani Uncle Bena sorry yani la Frank na etutun komo no Uncle Ben de ono ye kofa bae erema BWF solicitors na je say edwani na ye niti se ono na edwuma na eye na dia na yani Uncle Frank na etutun komo na high rainbow 92.4 FM na said ya kan no nkomondo ya twetwe bebe na bebia wo bia wuti bia no so wati ya kan wodi wo mosi na me kwa me den na ma yese ni bebe unkita krata so wa kwala wit me jina so aja eni na ewo ho a so fa kwan so wodi ye na ba lo me bi sase so sa a process we mu nyina sanke ye hwemu pa na de mu hende na ye so easy beka se nka wo tufu anka beka se bia nimpa ni ngina no so na nka on fanye da application once na setena mu anase na setena wo no enhwehwan no mu hindi na oba recommend am nipa senka on gina no so sere be easy di ama no wada woma
opd but your two question be na voice no from kakra
okay ana me bisa se de ya kan na se obi tien na obeka se na the lawyer kan na sanka me famu ba ko de aye adwuma na nka aboa me we are lawyer ahin nka wo be recommended am ni atanyi pan say on fair no so anu mum na be so easy mpodi ama na at least obetumi de gina so de nya nkata obi a na setena mu no ehwehwan no tanyi pa bi sa na obetu no fo sen say ahin nka wo fa nka be boa no wada won ma
okay asetena no de wo kromo a na why overstay ya ye woni ama bebrebe a ye fa so den ede enya je enkrata eden etna so okwa appendix FM ni mu a ekwan abefa so awenya enkrata ebi ne yaka one ye dey topic na yaka no second one se unni obi ewo na wonware ni mpo a na wanya wo ba no obetime gina apa no so ede aye parent root under FL what is FLRP what is here na why then why anya won krata ugina obaso e de age I don't know asem bia ma ho so far say wetimi atwe say woni oba na awo obanie wetimi atwe say we play active role e wa akwara babum nhia say woni maame ne akwara ntifie da bi woto ba bi empra na akotwe na anai den on na wo okwanim eno ansa wo yusu ba na den age e no bo so abetena kromu a dadaada oni nkrata ono a wonhia obi obaware no ana on ware ye obi also a ni didie kra wo jana yire ofie nto onya na dwen se obi twa na yire bo aba ba ware oba foforo wa ndi se me tie bia no pese wotenam no anu ayi den enya ne nkrata na otimi kofie ekuhu ne yere ene ne ma sabi oja omo anaso wode ne yere so ye de ebeka no wa ha na odi ne kura ma ne yere obi di ye no no nti obeden obetena mu saa onkonko twempana na ebi kura akoye den wakowo na wa parent root ebia wonkonko ware na akase waja ne yere wo fie nti saa nipa no obetena mu saa na wotena mu a na wo use private life ebia odi 20 years okroma odi 20 years okroma a aban sinam so watena a chedenti a wodi 20 years okroma no yenya hu se wo ye criminal ye ntwen kotum yenya hwe na so ho son wetima tena kroma mfie pare 20 years na wo enya asam de na se nipa koro ebia wo nipa papa ne mom nkrata na de wonnie nti aban mo akonya se obetima yusu 20 years route na eden e de enya won nkrata eno wonya obenya 2.5 na renew sa after 10 years no na afi waje indefinite leave to remain na wonya afi bo na wonya 2.5 na obetima ye de obi aye obetima ko Ghana na wo ba na wo na wo ba the hiansa obekire documents che say me ba kromu ano na di 20 years eden e wo kromu a and there's what to be proven die be nyama na de be proven uwura kromu ano first day of airport na ba ya ye bo won sa no ana say ye register say o ni pass message out just why enter UK of a Heathrow and of a Gatwick and of a Birmingham and baby afa ye bia no eno no won ka hwe but aban na nkasa kwa di kin aja tum say ba because adana uwura krom yet me den e capture and say register
we to card or passport class so I prove
actually because ye the bo now problem no enye say oba na wa ma problem ne say what will Chroma continuously for 20 years? Ebia na UPA into what break is continuous stay no ebia break and normally 20-year route for no so mo refuse nko for adom kan say yenye ni say owa sa owa ha mpadia to be kire say afi bia betima kire document na wo ba Chroma na sebe oni nkrata nti ebi kura adwuma kura wajai official document bi ama ho nti be no wetin prove say OPD matana 20 years even 2003 to 2005 uni address and uni bibia nti dey na ade betre enu nti na ezo bu lawyer for edu say 20-year route na a church na poso bet ma pase okotena obi nchen and pakros bet me dey dance here buy no mo give little weight to sanya man say obi atwere tamas na meninu say but still no so no yes we lawyer for nti okwa ye fa so ye den e defend you and so onya wasoye for so for no to tweza ni pass me minimum since 2004 and 2000 and oba ma sorry e wo asori we say wa asori sa abepem ne na wo kan akover obi so to ka say wo na atimen for bia 6 years why say ni nyina so ba behim na afi no obi oba no register GP you register GP I to akwajo medical records so ba ebewom se na ide na wa ha se ekoba se home office for na ka se omunyinia e won ye so betima kire mo se mo ye developed country da eni pa ro ru no oso mpie exam so mo gidi se eni pa na pie dia burden of proof ne e wo mo so someone kire se we pie because we pie a no ru because eni pa no need leave to remain oni hwe nti we pie no say to me ru so nti eno na nse da topic aye kan wasem nti no me de besi wa ya na yakoso na ya den ya to aye topic ne so mama cheche kwan abefa so abetima ya den obetimi anya o stay ewo ekromu a
okay na eno na la franka akire no na mame bia homanentum e bia bi ofie no pese o bisa question bi erefa de ye kan ho a na wonso otumi akire wadwen and ye WhatsApp line no problem aba ho kakra nti ye behwe se the different lines to be ebe activity ne de no so ahye ho am nti obetumi afre 020 822 60 484 020 822 60 484 020 822 60 484 ewo studios ha obetumi afre na ye no adwetwe nkomo no bi betumi akama nso ana ye WhatsApp line no and ye the WhatsApp line we na be yedjuma 0737 661 6849. 0737 661 6849. And when a WhatsApp player, everybody Juma. Na studio line and Casa de Wafer 020 822 60484. 020 822 020 822 60484. Find cherry pa and me numbers and be a tarino and mutre pa my family space so amba see find cherry say until which me afraid na what they were doing to the area bana they know attitude na shall 7 can first caller aha hello good morning. Hello good morning. Hello good morning. Okay, I say to me engineer so yeah patch over to me akona wa san free bi mu na na apekoni na watu nkomo wa na if you are so to me I come na okay I'm share oh no we so to me engineer so okay my try na am pick in your way now no dey wait to me engineer so hello good morning.
Hello good morning.
Rapper you know what's it
Right there no computer am so
nyame adu yan ho ye pa wada wo me tie we
actually there is a question there madam for Barbie but the CEO in the buy na office obedu kwa hu be man no da be man di kan jan be 2 weeks and as it says I can be say September na na yidi be wu nti hu ne awanye since kala ya bit match mu bi ka fa ho ama na smatia
okay lawyer be you ano
Okay, OBD. Yeah. The question or say Ninu Biba Kroma or a skilled worker dependent. Obidra who ni kunu da. And at times over some and I day. I'm a no into a buyer day. Okay. I hire pound here baby any muka crabby. So because internet home office for muti because since a firm radio I check a new a new year until you'll be any omutia ombetumi interpret team tie be so ano kakra bi anse dan kan enko into details
but law so o hwe na ebe ha adwun so am yemanen floor office o na nke no so wada woma ana o dwun say
yeah as offer number na etimi edin kombo because there were adie bebe betumi a church no but so wa ba na say de betumi aka sisi an say oni okunu na aba anasa ono yere na aba oye dependent ema obi akoye se dua esiwo anasa kaa bi siwo na wotwene no na kaa na atuka no so obeti ato
atuka na over ande oti kwakwa no de be
nti se woni obi aba na se o se wo yere no na se okunu no na woni obi aba mpa na se wo yere no na ade na wontene ka antene ka no hwehwe no nti se eduro na se wono no woni krom anasa na yi na wu a se wo so nkrata ewu nti manen frɛ na yɛ ne nkasa options on why
why na embo mo nkasa sɛ be ya bi aso be come ana obi bika okay nyame shiro pa nyame shiro okay so 0208226044 0208226044 na also to me afre na wa kyerɛ wa adwin na bibia setimi aye kama ena medi edna na to jego opd saka me ne eye lawyer Frank na techo nko na ofri BWF solicitors akache na waje pini oni ya techo nko na mesro bibia wo bia wutie bia na obesese mesro na bomode na fo ni che BWF solicitors akache na yembo na won so tumi gina wona so krata asam nti na won so tumi ayeden eka wona asis pelele sanse nkrata eni nam wo UK mountain so untumi and now you can want to abla on clat time ya no say ya na hard nkofo tukwan untumi nkobi ye kopati untumi nkobi ye gi na untumi ngibi chesa oti polo kwa untumi dwane ni nyina nkata asem. Hello good morning.
Good morning.
Bape na what to say?
Adumna mo bro na pacho mo so mo say.
Nya hunja papa whatever na ana pay answer account so dey me say yeah we problem dey be solve there more yentie we.
Without question, my uncle be a or kind of or Ghana passport in here and or work a chroma so there. So now also so say or Ghana now so or give it Kuma man san otimi akwa na atimi akọ Ghana na wetimi ni Ghana na akọ na oba wa de hadia no ababere.
Okay, lawyer be you one. Whatever.
Yo OPD. Medana se the question anu ya obozo hu se opese o kire se o kroma nkrata passport and was our Ghana passport. And to say o kwa obetimi di we akọ no oba do ya be we man na. Ayo. Yes, obetimi. Se wo kọ Ghana de a sebi okrom na wo kọ. Ene okrom aso no omo enkasa ntia dual citizenship. What I say, nze okuta Ghana passport na okuta British passport a okọ okroma obiya musa wo hwe uyu passport a okọ akodru Ghana wawie oba Ghana nam se okọ no udru Ghana ho na de na ade kire anse na wupie afri kotoka ewur akọ abontene de ode kire no oba on bepese ode no be kire wo kotoka immigration section on bepese ode no be kire se Ghana passport na ade pie ya udru on behwe Ghana passport no mama say hu say okay okọ no so oni visa mo sampa okuta passport British passport so mo sampa otumi kokoro no so what I say to mbeja na wokọ ba ba duru kroma de a na wu pie free airport na aba so order British passport na wakọ ise so de o ma ya kama ama ya uduru a umrempo na so akọ scan o machine na ya den order British passport na pin do question no no kre ubetime use Ghana passport akom oba uwurem wa ha o de red book na ya and I say CC crisis and from red into British passport no o de why
Yo, but na Ghana immigration for you mo Ghana say you ha mo ha adwene ya o de Ghana de ko na de Ghana de pi na so o ba na so de Ghana de mo no mga se dia na uni visa na so uni e bia o passport mo na dia na le check the ultimate na bia o kon na de British de mo from because na de na o ba wan visa ana ultimate visa
omontimi embusa osa entina go hwe me submission na me de ma wona me kire se wo ni mie no a o kwa afa ni nyina kuta so aja se nti se Ghana wo no do mba yan se a wo kwanya se okọ a o do British passport tro ma mo sampa ho na otie nti o ko okrom so aja se
yeah okay all right that's
yeah that's it
but you saw or the dollars or the franc
that's franc
international franc yeah or boy to my papa panty blana why yamin sure pa ya dasi na also cost of mission yamin sure mamin chia minua Kevino what join your live for TikTok Kevin I didn't say who ya pa me did say bibia kama and they won your baby internet there mamin tonka maninsu. Okay, so we are still live on Rainbow 92.4 FM. Rainbow 92.4 FM. Also live on DAB Plus and also live on TuneIn, Facebook, and Amazon TV, Fire TV, Local TV. You stream me live for what none pay. So you have to come on. You need lawyer Frank and you come on. Remun Sam and you come on. Fred 020-822-60484 020-822-60484. Na yamfa nkomo and so na Mr. Question na lawyer so intimi ya no law obi the question bi ablam sisi a or send me a WhatsApp or see me Mr. Manu or see yamfa topic no dey about ja me Mr. Manu hia na pa or see me Mr. o say wadawru mo or the application man lawyer bi na lawyer no man no na home office for amano approval say or ma accepting application na say o ma gina to so me man on krata but since o mote on say approval no onya update bi am from what so obi say ana ontu a lawyer ne sika man ntin bi a lawyer no age ato say bi na etumi ba ne sa na wadawroma na yenko ye next caller iso
okay OPD yo on say your application ye bebusa wo say one email na ade hye so ne wan say lawyer ni email na hye so dia decision ba ebe lawyer no nti eso friend lawyer no busan say o e bia sense home office we ka say o mo de ade be maye no ya twan anya den mai nti mpacho me ntehwe abana no busa lawyer no obusa lawyer ne ma so dia nka lawyer de e ka bibisi ya na se maya o na wo gina mu ma eye wo client no nti say no say omoka bi say kire ne maya de ben say betima pre-action protocol for the pap letter ye kwa na yakoka tro mu say say no maka kire nti omo implement try visa no mo de aden omo de aba the mom 14 days omo baba nti say obi aye adwuma ma na untua ne ka kubusa no because ABS kana unya akocheche chance wa ba na because adina baswa menye stress lawyer bia wa ya adina o lawyer pa betina wa ade so won kan kire mpo ebebo mu ohun bo beka se bitua me kai so pass won kan kire class abade and dem menhye dante bi mpanyin se da nti wo musa lawyer no ebia ne ma se maya obetu musa lawyer so lawyer mpa chaw adi so mo ka so mo da adina ma mi onyan so still yen san kan dia obetu atwele te bia ko home office na na we contact home officer na ya hwede nti mo mfa man no mo mfa mre ebi also na adwuma go mo sunti na man but o ko remind o ma mo de be mo baba na so la bit ma ko ye complain I say and also with my trace action protocol letter no e de akọ fa enema na ide aba why
okay and what's here say o tie inquiry hello good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Pacha, what to say?
Yes, I don't book on Pacha Monsoe.
Nyame adum pa, and no no be chance in my JFU, so yeah, I am from no so why na here pa. Powerful.
Lawyer, good morning.
Into you.
Pacha lawyer, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
And I'm Pacha, bisa me question kakra say bese me de me baba 11 years coffee kakra mani ko di me kakra nti na bese me hu enhyehyɛ ne akwanhyɛ kakra ile me sɛ mo a
na wo so person de coffee no what 11 years no ono ba no kuta den
or you're British.
Okay. British yeah say opuso question bibi ba obetimi akwaba because British passport obi a citizen or that's a citizen until betimi na kofie ama de opuso question no wakusua ba and as de opuso okoye no akoya aba na emom no hwe hu say woje no sika bi and how the benefit bi a saa ne mane na ya aban sika za akra do kuruma nti na de ma no nso oni kuromu abie mu de a hwe hu say before so boko no oba kate dad no unji sika no because wo je akra no sika no oni a ye chewa and the omechiro why
Oh, okay. And to be advised person me the school kakra wo Ghana na me sande ne ba and it's allowed do.
Yeah, obi na ko say wo na ya akra no papa ata say and na odi akra no den eko enti odi na eko aso fa wonni aban sika anase bibia enti aban ne bia wo ne de obetimi amana ko kakra na wa de waba oso kuta ankrata enti anytime be person be bia no obetimi aba hwe hu ne say se passport no e be wusu dia wo be renew o mani and the wu kra so before so ba no say we renew because we rama be den ye be hwe passport no
Oh, okay. You ready?
But based on million question you be say say now what can be say ban sana ne nkrata so oje benefit bia based on akwala no ntine de sa benefit ne ma no na obi no ka say o de akwala no go school so on to so nka say instead of work say bia me de akwala no kwa outside nti yen stop benefit no on to so nka say bia akwala no be de go school nti sa aska na bi ne bia meso so na me de tuan school fees and so woju no ho say entumi nyesa instead of stopping no
OPD ya discuss kromwa school bena papa che kromwa school nto mo jomo system ni dipa nti sa akwa do kromwa na wo se wo je better education na wo so de ne ko ukrom se ho na obenya education papa I mean ese okufolo system no akra ni akra no wo tini ema uska ya maseska no nto ni ha
oni ha okay minia emuda
Oh yeah, muda pa ukuri adamasi pa ya mishamo. Yeah, the record junjumu na juhwana mo. Okay.
That's pa. Okay. So you know so no 020 82260 484 020 82260 484. Lo would be so na afie no course ni ba na pick for na say be kwa akofa Pamela na afie no because yemre no 9 minutes past 10 na ya de de ho so so what the kakra so be so so echi ni akofa Pamela so a Niger yehu de be ni nyina agina wo so wada wo. Okay, I'm a pick call winner.
Man, very good answer. So, the Amelis ne say,
what do you pick call winner? A young pick call winner, we are not what.
Okay, Matthew.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, right? I'm Patrick.
Yeah, lawyer Joe, so I don't want Patrick. I also want to say, powerful. Okay, loyalty.
Okay, when I'm Patrick, one person this lawyer say, me back room, I'm a EU dependent. Me back room 2021, 10th June.
Patrick, your voice, kakra.
Hello.
Yeah, I feel the mood up. Yeah, into.
Okay, Patrick, me back room on the 10th of June, 2021. In Patrick, me 5 years, 10th of June, we next month. Na Patrick, me bisa say, me qualify say me indefinite now because me check it, me statute now. Me fitida me buy and me say me aye juma from 2021 no ekosi a friend is saying 31st of March 2027 so me check me status here fitida me buy me na in person me check say was me train and do 2027 31st na say me qualify say me do 10th June na me qualify for 5 years now make me apply in Pacho.
So but ecosystem no so na de ahye ho no sa date no use because I know that you say you nim say what wa obon say o check we ye visa na obon say o picture da ha na akire ade awo so o status na akire time starting time be wi enti use no because I know you say obi anim na afi no so no emramu de e beka 28 days ama on krata na wa utimi eye application enti se beka 28 days nyaba na se beka 20 days amad na wu utimi your application time o ye den o pesa wo ye den o ye no ba make sure say onye no before say ebeka 28 days because every days go higher than umiti so o pepra mo koye ansa na time na so a wan hwe na yakoma o leave to remain mum ni aka say time na so a na wasa higher than why nti calculate ni nti ka 28 days kwa na bit my but I prefer say we use the o share o code a no why
wow people channel possible sir say me ba 2021 June no ni July na na start ejuma ebesi me ka menya me 5 years because me ka next month June no me check me status so after that me buy me check here na 2027 people say possible sir na say no na omuti finye sir
what's what the 5 years wa
Mpatron, me ba Chromua 2021 on the 10th of June. And me 5 years, 10th of June of next month, 2026 way. And but me ba any na me ba June ni July na me start here Juma me enjoy Juma. And after so no me check me status from there me ba na amount guarantee me na. Mama me up to 2027. 31st of July, 31st of January 2027. And I'm sure say meeting me aye ejuma akodru. So I'll check you start now. It may part say possible sana. By me 5 years then can be next month.
Ada oba I will renew ana because
but me renew 5 years straight me renew it.
Now 5 years straight now about 2021 5 years beka 5 years beka 2021 one. Say enye 2027 ewu.
But you say
See, about ya more idea 2021. O de in 5 ka 21 one saying 26.
26 yeah.
And then now the say 27.
And I'm me check me statute now. Fiti da me buy any na no. So me kaya 2021. So me check here now. Me start here Juma. Omo ma me say ebe expire 31st of March. 2027. So na me check me start to it.
Eba. Okay. But you dey win kan akora fa so go see that 2027 but what the 5 years will come. Na visa ben na wo dey buy. Dey ben visa na wo so.
But me we you dependent. Presettle.
Presettle. We di 5 years na wotimi show say continuous for 5 years na wotimi e dey e bia wo HRMC ade ko kire say wa ha continuously for 5 years wo betimi aye. Why? Yo.
Okay, yes, so yeah, that's the picking nice color na yeah, and to us. Oh no, and to me, you know, so but I want to ask for him. Since our question will be something yapa na yen share na yen for info. Law, okay, okay, on 20 years. Okay, law, yen till enough, you know, oba ye be picking enough, you know, yeah, the affirms are whatever. Yen law, na you know. Okay.
All right. And is a question no. Na ye can a kwan abafa so a obetuma regularize you stay no e wa ha. As a spouse.
Yeah, course ya facha me. Wasen abanti. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Nti dianso mami. Lord, dina yen course no so na we be na what so yen course.
No problem. Okay.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
O voice in phone pa bibi she onuma na ko ya to ama madawma.
Pacho, good morning. Yeah.
See ade ye na wa mana ko anu kakra so aka ho. Ana pe wo to say.
Nyame adum na pacho mo so.
Nyame adum ya ho ye papa. Ana pe yentie we lawyer Frank Ayakrado.
Okay. Lawyer we dey me hu Uncle Ben video bi wiki ana mama adwen ba ade bi so. Na me spesi me busa. Me skilled worker visa. Me the skilled worker ana ba e. Ana me ba na mo me dependent but and say many identity no divorce babe. I'm say no yeah divorce no last year. I'm so also a call why we are do being cracked also. But me so me me start switch call adwuma hofro. But me no me declare me won say me worry. On also I be am na dey na successful. Me so me successful. But all this while they notify home office say bia any giant baby. Is there any idea LCI?
Okay. Yo. Me pacho se oba kromwa na oba no aware. Na okoye application fufro. Na I believe so okoye application no. Se no mo dia aware na we say application na. Nzi betu busa say we single and now we married and now you see ya na ehọ no na say bia ka ka wo choose say bia we single and I say we divorce so I just say online ehọ me ka ba say wa anya sa akwa online ehọ oni no obi ma obetimi aka akire home office for say monye den maware no e bia egu and I say relationship no ni obi obetimi inform me omo so and anytime bia we application for bia no so we inform you kana so we application for say you buza so our pan say so to kind of correction so our pan e bia no obi why
yeah the applications I'm choosing I think now she's single married and I think separated used to be in a civil partnership or something but separated then I'm choosing
hello
who you say may notify or one as still now make me notify or say you knew
obetimi notify almost because I don't know say affect you be abim o de won ba nzo afa no Canada so obetimi notify almost why
okay
Okay, so yes, that's Emilia. You mean sure, you for your next call and after you to us. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, but I want to say.
But I'm here, but I'm saying.
You may have your voice in my mom, what I want my wife now. It's not okay. Bibi aboko die.
Emi adum boko.
And the pay I credit you ain't you.
Yeah, mpacho person be lawyer say. My sister or the say even or the Bible no independent. And then back it hand crack time. Bema ne eyi ni free so mo. If you kesi mfu ikra ne crack time. Nti later na de ne ban na de ye. By ye the man lawyer 1 year 2 months 2 months. By say na my you be say na be or say my you be say be say my. Na person mi say akwanja ho say see 2 na mo bi ana.
Obi de otenenka mantenenka o
Sir,
mente kasa ni
Blapping.
Yeah.
With the said a bear lawyer bet me you question on you more one casano. Pedro and the mummy why? No lawyer and
But I say, my sister, or the pay dependent no the buy. Later no, na would depend on any buyer. You need free so. If you can see him for the crack time, until then back it to hand him crack a British passport. And lawyer no a year man by 1 year, 1 month me. So no, and my. The bisala and be as I say my. By 9% because I be a coin your hobby and I'm both you I see you to found be one.
all right oya application ewo ekromo ha ye wo standard time ema ebia eba so oyo application na enye di 6 months eko na se unya decision na the lawyer betimi aye ne se obe adibia friend pre-action protocol letter de akọ enu na ye friend no letter before claim nti se wo de adibia se ekọ na still wo manfi wa ho no utimi de wo mkọ court judicial review say why your application ebia ache omonfa decision nimba nti wo pese court no ka wasam ma nemum sa de we no lawyer no betimi aye nti woni lawyer no nkodi nkomo na lawyer no nyesa appraisal protocol let ne mo anaso behu yeso aye so betimi atwera komo mo eya na legalities kakra wo nti wan kasa wontimi ntwe ba lawyer betimi atwera mo legalities ni say bi wo ama ye kwan ama yetimi kire remedy aye sort for na edu timi ma ye kwan ama yetimi twere ka kire court ni say ye mo 14 days maka bibi maka bibi edo mo court nti o twere sa strong letter no e de kwa omo back etimi baka twere so ye straw ebi ama ye busumi ba akọ busumi mienu busumi miensa ye workload nti anaso betimi baka twere say oh ye hwehwem ye ne ye be contact ebi department na omo work case ni so na oma yeden amom aje ne ma fast decision ba na say ebi kwa so oh ebi kongo mo ade bi mo busa o ebi afa further documents bi bra na then decide na bi a won fi o mo na say won reply o mo nti ye bibi bebebe ba separation protocol letter de kwa na ebi hu de o nti na kwa to bi a wo de call ya bi o a wo de letter ne kwa in 1 week na choose won say matter mo nkan mo ba ka cho so ke ye do decision abro so ada say nti wo hia lawyer so obey sa adam na say mo wetimi akọ omo website so na akọ complaint adena that but na sa applications so wetimi check so wetimi check nti no lawyer nkasa why na so bo hu so wetimi abo asa
Mpacho say ewo lawyer no no betumi aye because lawyer I don't know
say wo lawyer ho na pese ye je wasemo ya no say ubehu ya na wo instruct ya ye betre akoma lawyer no say you take over the case for their brain now ye be call a home office so a site by be work na bi ye work dey ko wi a ye be mo say na act man na afi update or legal representatives so details or online or site am say je na is a representative ntina ye the BBC abano ye be letter of authority free ho ne a copy of your passport and as ID na the account nti ano ba mu omo hu se enye na represent wan ka yenya saa ne ma we nyina ne mfiri ho na atwe saa strong letter na ye da akomo omo na ye tie di ombeka e be within the 14 days no mo do decision be bro na so be papa ye to so mo strain ye ma wo be ye 1 month bi nkan na mo decision be ba e ba saa mo mo de letter ne e ba ntam why
Okay. And that's a brain tea. You know, but you
Okay. Yes, you have a munim. You have a munim pa. I mean, sure. Okay. Lord, obi the question be ablam na. I think say you beti say question we are now woman answer we are now fino. Ya bana ya behwe na ya the house so say I can be 8 minutes be na di na be we. Also Dr. OPD, good morning. My question any also why overstay? Why overstay na recently share abayo bi abayo no kita akwala na abayo no kita brofo no twa hana mentia o si abayo no kita UK any EU I don't know say e wo hosa o kita UK any EU settlement o si mimi say which of them na obetume de no ho atoso ono na why overstay na we share sa abayo no sa requirement mi enu we which of them na obetume de no ho atoso adawoma question obi edi aseni ablem no law so what him kan obi na no saying
OPD mate question no ase was the panikuta EU no say guta ekromo ankrata I believe say the person what can say ebi amefan say obi o free Belgium obi o free Germany obi o free Italy and I say EU for ni bi Netherlands and why do abedru a ntokuta ho passport. But with our passport can be drew her and see my obia ye pre-settlement. Until the parukuta a pre-settled na fino why then why any indefinite leave to remain in okuta. So I just say the crewman our tea and this opposite or chess away a relevant EEA sponsor. Fair enough. With my passport no. No what a crewman then so chess say ABI will leave to remain as a indefinite leave to remain or any status. What is a so okuta baby for passport but oba ha no ye ma wo application bi anu nti ama obenya sign definitely leave to remain nti wo kan use as obi a wo ye settled and na ye wo state of wo settled wo indefinitely leave to remain nti obi issue no however sani mana be issue nyina no nye important kase if you say wo so wo ye important but so you overstay nti wo overstay dia ade a ewa ade no ma ingredient e be ma ade na farmer e say akra wo mu eda sa wona ane ni pakro na wo anase ni pakro no wo badada a ni ba no esukuta indefinite leave to remain bi anase kuta nkrata wo kromu a eno na be ma unkofie eno ayeden wako akoye ayeden aba watch ase in this case no se wono and the question no lead to the nankam de be den e be summarize ade no de awie no in this case no se akra bi anim one oba na nwoyi anase oba na nkasa so ni badada a akran so aseta okromu a ES1 no be apply man exemption ama onkofie ena wakoya abade a na so oba no epe ena wa ebe nimu a ti se okofie no ayeden wakoya aba na mpero bebe ya na nkrofo suru se omukofie so omukoye aware na ba omukọ omuntimi mma enye nokre okwa obitimi aba so atase okwa obitimi aba ntina brana a lawyer for ya ni woni nkomo ne nchechiro mu enipa no nanya encounter dada odon wo ha dada ena motia maya aware ne dada ewo Ghana ebia mama nkrofo ejima ya aware mamo enti enipa no wa no wunim dada ebia onne twetwe pictures oni ne tifie mpo wo niam bia chese fie wo na wotie watese mo nkomo de chese mo wo bibie na wakọ Ghana na okoye entry clearance omba ma akwan mo ayeden aba waba onka ho you cases be aya man krofo obi o di 16 years or 15 years or 14 years name it afi no nya no dofo atakra mpiem ebi oba no so wa wo wi onwo bi ana ya baby anim na oso pese mo ye maware a ana so mo ya wetin makofie na wakọ entry clearance no ayede waba wetin be hu lawyer for you bet ma fill application ato the bia details bia atumi ade document na ato ada obedru fi ko dru fi na ka jesu adura eno answer the application here yes submit ne dia to mama wetimi aba en check the cases aya ye bi okra 1 month ndi pana ba bi wa 3 months no aba what I say nti ye den ya okwa obeba di hia ne se oba na do wampa be ma ndo wampa na wo gina mu se bi kunu nie okofi a still na no mema na ba me nko kantiro mo office so me nkase menye biem ana ma anware ne biem so what I say den akwa oye nchukran se bit mama baba mum akra wom onne oba na wo anaasɛ ɔbaa no wɔba dada a akwadaa nso wɔ asetena wɔ ha a ɛne hia sɛ wobɛkɔ Ghana na wakɔ akɔyɛ aba wobɛtumi atena kurom yɛ a na wayɛ wo nkrataa no.
Okay. Lo, nkama mu ato aso na yɛmmerɛ no deɛ ayɛ mmerɛ deɛ ndeɛ ɛbɛma Pamela ɛde pɔtɔ no abɛtwa mu na afei no yɛaba wɔ no afei yɛabɛsɔre so koraa sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ na show no bɛtumi take over wayɛ krado gya mekɔ nso ahwɛ na deɛ ɛbɛyɛ sɛ bɛmpa na yɛntie Pamela na afei no yɛbaa no yɛabɛtoa so afiri hɔ wada wo ma.
Good morning, OPD. Good morning, Lawyer Frank. Good morning to all our lovely viewers. Today, our topic is on can I successfully apply to remain in the UK as a spouse if I have overstayed my visa? So, the answer is yes, you can, but it is not automatic that if you get married to somebody who is a British citizen or has their settlement in the UK, you can get your visa if you have overstayed. So, when you make such an application, the Home Office will look at the suitability requirements and the eligibility requirements. So, some of the suitability requirements are that you don't have any criminal conviction and you are also not a foreign criminal. That is, you have not been imprisoned for a sentence of 12 months or more. Under the eligibility requirements, the Home Office will look at the relationship you have with your partner or your spouse. So the relationship has to be genuine and subsistent. And how you prove that is by providing your marriage certificate if you are married to the person. If you are not married to the person and you are just a partner, you have to prove that you have been in that relationship for a period of about 2 years or more. Then the Home Office will also look at your finances. For the partner route, your finances you'd have to be making at least 29,000 a year before tax. So when you are making such an application, of course you're an overstayer, so the Home Office will not be expecting you to work. So that means that your partner who is working would have to be making at least 29,000 or more. How your partner can prove this is by providing pay slips and bank statements P60. So the pay slips will have to show that maybe this is his net salary or her net salary, and then this is his or her gross salary. And then that gross salary would have to meet that 29,000 requirement. And then when you look at the bank statement, whatever you've said you get in a month, as your gross salary would have to be reflected on your bank statement to prove that yes, indeed, you meet the financial requirements. Then now the Home Office will look at the accommodation. Are you in an appropriate accommodation? So if you are just you and your spouse and you are living in a one bedroom accommodation, it is enough. It meets the requirement because it's just you and your spouse in that accommodation. If you are in an accommodation which has one bedroom and a living room, that counts as two bedrooms. So if you are putting on your application, you live in one bedroom and then the other room is also one. So it would all count towards the accommodation. So even if you have a child, don't be afraid because the living room also counts as another bedroom to the Home Office. Then the Home Office will now look at your English requirements. Do you meet the English language test? Have you sat the required exam? So A1 or A2, B1, B2. Have you sat it and have you passed? If you have, you do meet the English test. Some people have degrees from their home countries. If you do have your degree, undergraduate degree, master's degree from your home country, you'd have to have it converted with ETIS. ETIS used to be called NARIC, but now they are ETIS. You have to have it converted and then you submit it to the Home Office. If you came to the UK to have your degree done, then you can submit your UK degree, so your UK undergraduate degree or your UK master's degree to the Home Office. That also meets the requirements. And for the relationship, you'd have to be married to somebody who is either a British citizen, has indefinite leave to remain, or has their settlement under the EU route. So, if you've met all these requirements, it doesn't mean that automatically you would be able to get your visa. That's just because you are an overstayer. So, there are some exceptions that will help you get your leave to remain in the UK, although you are an overstayer. One of the exceptions are you have a qualifying child. So this child may not necessarily be your biological child, it can be the child of your spouse. So if your spouse is a British citizen, their child may be a British citizen, so it's a qualifying child, or the child may have indefinite leave or settled status under EU. That child is a qualifying child. You'd have to prove your relationship with that child. So that's where your marriage certificate plays a vital role, because if you can prove your relationship with your spouse or your partner, you can then prove that you do have a relationship with the child, in that you are probably the child's step parent. Aside being a step parent of the child, you have to prove that you play an active role in the child's life. How you can do this is by getting official letters from either the school or GP, which show that yes, indeed, you are named as a contact for the child at that institution, and that you are involved in the child's life. Then another exception is insurmountable obstacles. That is, if maybe your spouse or your partner has a terminal illness that you cannot leave the UK because you are the one taking care of your spouse or your partner. Or let's say there's a war going on in your country, so your life is at risk if you should leave the UK and go to your country. Some of those things count as insurmountable obstacles, and that would help you to get your visa in the UK. So please remember that although you can meet all the requirements, it is not automatic that you would get your visa just because you have overstayed. Once you have overstayed, getting married does not guarantee you get your leave in the UK. You would have to meet the exceptions as well. And once you meet the exceptions, even if you do not meet the English requirement or the financial requirements, those can be waived for you. But you would have to meet the relationship requirement. That is the most important requirement under the spousal route if you are an overstayer. And also, please do not be afraid to leave the UK to go back to your home country because you feel like you may not get entry clearance to come into the UK. That's not true. If you go back to your home country and you are indeed married, it's a valid marriage, you can apply for entry clearance to come back into the UK as a spouse. So I hope this helps all of us today. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.
Okay. Thank you, Pamela. So the podcast na so dia ban na yeda so ho and no bi best say ho. And mam call lawyer when yen ko sorry so lawyer when afi no. Yen sorry na new show ni take over. Law afi yen do o last submission yen sorry so adawma.
OPD. That's it. With the T4 and ahwefo so ase. Say ene moba eme atwetwe nkomo stronko. Say there be a no BWF solicitors there. Monim say eba mremu a ya eden ya wadre mu pa ene wo ha. Obi ene wodne ha waba ifidua we mu a obefi akokwa abrawosu. Esan say eba mremu a yonim de ewo mpa. Enti ene ye hye ahwefo ne atiefo nkran say baby a wade sware dru bia no mensuro amane mo oba ha nyame adawromenti ye wani difo ha ebitima aboawo ama wonso wasomadwo nti se wo hwe kira kwanya se de muni medina dada no BWF solicitors ye wo 7 sisters. The address no 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road Tottenham 7 Sisters. Postcode near N15 4 NP. Off-road train now PF train station wana obon sabu sakaka kabisi wo ye ben Tesco kakaka no udru a oba ye wo ye baboa wo pese woni ye kasa obetima fa number no office number no 020 84937340 and emergency line so 077 12761884. Sabasa ebia woni pen 21 number na obetima kwa your website BWF solicitors okwa obehu ye bibia edit bia ono aida wa friend oba ya la for bibia wa ye beboa wo sa wo pesa woni meso mekasa wo friend number na ye friend Frank obetima ni my den atwetwe nkombo ofra your receptionist ne befa na won wedding nkombo so pesa oba ha na mde address na man on pesa oba ha so a obu na akwan wa ye ne nkofo edili from Manchester Leeds any bebe Umbazo baba ha yebitimi ebuki appointment amount ewo Zoom na no why then aye video call Zoom and as person open telephone consultation so e betimi ebuki amount time no so no akasa wo telephone so o person oba so dia ofra ye be hye time ama time a if say available and say ye wo no ye be ma time na say the be ya obi abobun say me 10:30 11 12 na appointment no na ma time na waba and as oba ka time a wo person otimi den eba na ye the amount na waba na ye wa twetwe nkomo sronko and obidi and that's it. Now Miss Harry show happy birthday sonko and the day and the beginning of greater things na nyankopon and maunye ahead and above only ewo abrabo.
Amen. Lord, meso medase pa ne insurance man no pay waka edeguma blabos na medase meda BWF solicitors working ya asinamada Uncle Benso asi dan na mutumi nya mreba ma yeretwe nkomo yetiefo nya so damase impo Ghanaian communities amobo omno so no amonso edamase pa nti yede nkomo ne besi ha na ya so akọ nti nyame aduma next week yebesen hia me kai tiefo so say nyame aduma Saturday BWF solicitors eba almost Facebook TV and YouTube TV atwetwe nkomo echeche nyuma so onti mesro nyame aduma Saturday follow omo na TM conversation bi eya mefa ewo me TikTok page nti obetun so ahwed media bi live and so onti ya did media ni si ha ya me adoma next week no ya basan e share bi na bibia so tumi aka nti ebusia ya ne BWF solicitors for edinkra na ya me adoma next week no ya seneshi nti manti
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.